Now we have created this user has logged in as we've seen previously. It's time to create a post. Again, dashboard on the left, we have the menu post, it's on the top, and we're going to add a new one. From here on out, we are in WordPress 6.2, which is the latest version of WordPress at the time of recording this video, little asterisks. Now you can copy paste something from Google Doc, for example, that is perfectly possible. But for this example, we are just going to create a awesome title. After that, you will see that it's quite a bit empty. We need to add some text. For this example, I will be inputting the lyrics to Never Gonna Give You Up. Let's say we want a little introduction to the post before we get immediately into the lyrics. All we need to do is like, hey, here are the song lyrics to the most perfect song ever created. Let's say we want to emphasize this a little bit. All you need to do is just highlight it, double click on it, or you can just, select it. B for bold, maybe italic, I don't know. And then you're able to do this. Let's say we want to add a title. There we go. We can simply change this paragraph by clicking on the P, which appears when we hover over it. We can change it to a heading, to a list, a quote. You can even create buttons from this. But for now, we're going to create a heading, which will automatically go to H2, but you can also change it to H1, H3, and these are the standard options for headings. Now let's say we want to add an image right before the chorus hits. We are going to have to click on the plus. We have to add a block. Now you can just hit enter after a sentence and then a new block will appear, the plus will appear, and then you have a bit of options here. Or you can try to find the plus in between. For now we're going to use the image. You see the image block has immediately appeared when we clicked on it. We are going to upload a new image, save it on the desktop, open, and it will immediately just load in. There we go, the image is in place. Now, if you want to align it differently, you can always click here with full width, which will take obviously the full width of the website, which makes it a big image. Align left, align center, it's all possible. Now let's say that we want to add a button under the image. We go to Hub and we find in all the options the button option, and there we go, it's added right under it. Just simply insert your call to action, and then when you're on the button, you will see right here the link icon. Make sure to paste it in there. If you wanted to open it in a new tab, you can always select open a new tab. Make sure to confirm and submit by clicking this little arrow. And there you go. This button now is a functional link to Rickroll you. Now, obviously you can change the design of the button a little bit. Here in the sidebar you have styles. You can change it to a primary button, will change the color, and a transparent button, but it's a little too transparent. You can also play around with the colors yourself, obviously, and if you want the button to be like 50% width of the page or 100%, all that is perfectly possible. Let's keep it at 75. Make it a big button. There's a lot of things you can additionally add. There's a table you can create, the list, quotes, images. We can make a lot of things. All you have to do is go to the little plus here on the top left and then embed tweets, embed YouTube videos. There's so much you can add to make your posts beautiful and user-friendly. Let's say, for example, I want to insert the YouTube video. It's by simply clicking the YouTube block and then copy pasting the link in it, embed, and there you go, Rick Astley is popping up again. One interesting thing is the Take Action box out. This is a very, very useful tool. It gives you the option to give a call to action to an existing Take Action page. If the Take Action pages are set up correctly, they will appear here, and it's very easy to just switch between them. Or you can just custom create one yourself by adding your own image. Add image, media library. Let's take the penguin. There we go. Custom title and description. Click me please. And then once again, here in the sidebar, you can add your link, open in a new tab if you want. And there we go. We have our blog post.